Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out SweatCoin for money. So let's open the SweatCoin mobile application here. And if I just open here, you will see this kind of, you have to just log in here and you have to just activate now your account. So after activating your account, basically your, SweatCoin app will start working. So here in the wallet, you will find all the balance which is available here. But let me tell you that you cannot cash out your SweatCoin. The sweat can be only be used to purchase a product, right? So here you can see that the premium exclusives and the products and your many of the things, right? For example, if I just go to the digital offer, you can see that these are the subscription and all that. You will get this discount and all that just because you will have this SweatCoin and you can use this SweatCoin to buy this product easily, right? So basically this is the only way here, and here you can see swipe to buy for 5 SweatCoin, right? And this is really easy guys. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.